In this video, you'll learn how to effortlessly upload your images to your Dreamstime account using two simple methods. We'll guide you through filling out your image information and submitting it for review, while also explaining the different license types you need to be aware of. Welcome back. Today, in this comprehensive tutorial, I'll show you how to effortlessly upload your images to your Dreamstime account using two simple methods. We'll cover how to fill out your image information and submit it for review, as well as provide an explanation of the different license types you need to be aware of before submitting your photo for review. If you're not yet a contributor on Dreamstime, be sure to check out my complete guide on how to become a contributor on Dreamstime available on my channel or account. After logging in, click on your username located at the top right corner of the homepage. Then click on Upload a File. This will open the File Upload section for you. Click on any area within the green line to open a pop-up window, allowing you to choose photos from your computer. Then, select your photo and click Upload. Alternatively, you can navigate to your photo folder, select the images, and drag and drop them anywhere within the green line to start the upload too. This will initiate the upload process. While we wait for the images to load, let's provide some additional information. This refers to the approval ratio of your submitted files, and this indicates how many files you can submit per week. This shows the types of files that can be sold on the platform. These are the acceptable file types. This section describes all the additional formats that have been accepted on the site. Transparency is accepted for PNG files. If you need to upload any files included in the additional format files, remember that these additional format files should have a similar name to the JPG file, as the JPG file will be the one displayed in the preview. Such this example. After the photos are uploaded, they will appear here. Click on your photo. Then enter your photo title in this field. And then provide a description in the space below. This is the photo category that has been automatically selected. If you want to change it, simply click here and search for the appropriate category. You can either click on the desired category or click on any one, select one from the drop-down menu. Enter your photo keywords here. Before you submit your photo, it's important to understand the different license types. The default license is commercial royalty-free is commonly used for a wide range of applications. If your photo does not qualify for commercial use, it will be approved as a free photo. You can enable this option by clicking on it and then clicking Confirm, or disable it by clicking on it as well. If your photo is exclusive to Dreamstime, you can enable this option by clicking on it and then clicking Confirm. This is the editorial license is primarily intended for news, educational content, or non-commercial use. Similar step if your photo is exclusive to Dreamstime. You can enable this option by clicking on it and then clicking Confirm. Alternatively, if your photo pertains to current news or events, you can enable this option by clicking on it and then clicking Confirm too. Otherwise, you can choose to keep it without enabling any options. Choose your preferred option and click on Submit. After you submit your photo, if you have multiple photos that have not been submitted yet, you will move to the next photo or you will move to the Under Review section. Some photos may take only a few hours to review, while others may take several days. All files that are refused will be located in the Refuse File section here. Up to here, I'm done with this tutorial. However, there is an extra upload method available. If you'd like me to create a video on that, please leave a comment in the section below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow or subscribe to my channel for more valuable tutorials. Your support helps us create more content to assist you on your creative journey. And let's get started on your Dreamstime journey. Peace.